What's happening, guys? What's happening? All right. So I'm going to get down quickly into what I'm seeing today. There's two potential areas I'm watching out for. One is here, next one here. Got an order block behind it on the 5 minute. So ideally I'd want to see price pull back a little bit and then run up to yesterday's high as the target. We have swept yesterday's low. You will notice that we've got the two equal lows from yesterday resting down here. So this is yesterday's low and this was the Friday low. That has now been swept, as you can see. So this was the sweep down here. I am anticipating a move up to raid previous day's high. So that's the move I'm looking at. We are anticipating a buy into 43,800 area. From there, we could potentially see a reversal lower to drop us back into that daily order block sitting down here. So I want to see price come in, join through this order block before the big buy. That is my bias. That is what I'm looking at. That low had been taken. We have not broken that flag last week. So you would note that last week and the week before we had this mess, this accumulation that was building up on top. Did not break out to the upside. We had a breakout to the downside. Price is drawing into discount, so we are now currently in discounted range. If you look at it from here, so this is a discounted range, but I want to see price draw back one more time and perhaps test the 70% level of that fib, which is sitting down here, and then run up. So today's move on a intraday level, we are expecting a move higher before the move down. So I'd like to see yesterday's high, which is sitting up here, being raided. This is, so we had the Asian high that's sitting up here. It's also a liquid point. London lows are down below. Like I said, that was a sweep. I'm waiting for a pullback before that run up. So that's what I'm looking at. That is what we are anticipating today. Let's go into Nasdaq. So Nasdaq has fooled a couple of the fair values. We have also had a shift. You will note we had the shift down here. Okay, we've also taken yesterday's low. Yesterday's low was sitting down here. So low being swept in that area. Can you, well, not there, there's a chart. Yesterday's low was taken. So we are looking for a move up, potentially into, to fill in this imbalance here firstly. So we've got this area to fill out because we've left imbalance, as well as the area above it, which is sitting up above here. So those are two potential areas that we need to watch out from. We need to watch out for either that one or that one. Today we should retrace up. That is what I'm looking at. You've got There's an area of interest sitting down here. So I've got my area of interest down here. Potentially I'll move lower to go up. I've got all this imbalance to fill here. And we have yesterday's PM high, which is, or yesterday's session high, which is sitting up there. Okay, this would have been Asia, so this is entire Asia, which we have not swept as yet. London is right below. This has been tapped into and filled already, and we have taken off from there. So I would be waiting for this level here as a potential entry point. I would be waiting for this to pull back to enter. Kicking in with JP says, let's secure the bag today. Yeah, we're going to try. We're definitely going to try. Need to see what happens here. Alright, what else? What else? What are you guys trading, guys? What are you guys trading? Okay, so pretty much this setup, if price is to open here in this area, then very well could immediately run up, guys. So, and the reason I'm saying that is because the 15-minute on the RTH has given us this area of interest. So on that RTH, this is a potential bounce area should we open from anywhere in this area. Like I said, you've got all these imbalances, so that one's been filled, this one hasn't. And we also do have, so we've got that area there, which is why I've got my target up above there. You've also got, can you see this area here on the RTH, which has not been filled yet? Okay, I'm not saying price is going to go there now. I still anticipate price basically coming down after this push up. So we're going to catch a buy for today's move, or look to catch a buy for today's move into that area. What happens up above here, we're going to have to wait and see. If we do get a shift, that shift will take us lower to the daily order block sitting down below. So this is the area. I'd like to see price open into this area. Someone says trading UJ, Storm Sharp, trading UJ, Radar, Salam Boss, running nice on US 30. Yeah, shit, you caught it lekker earlier, boss. Very nice. Very, very nice. I think you got an entry like a right at the bottom, boss. It's going to be an interesting one. Let's see what we're looking at here. So we actually checked this earlier. We didn't have any major news for today. We've got S&Ps here, composite. It's fine. Consumer confidence. So nothing really major today in terms of news. Nev, you say send the stream. How do you do that? So I'm actually gonna send you another link, Nev. Just trying to figure it out here. Oh, it shows you here. Okay. Gonna show stream. Nev, we can't hear you, eh? Oh, there, now we can hear you.
Yeah, I wasn't saying anything.
Cool. Yeah, there, I think that's sorted, isn't it?
Yeah, cool. I can see it. Well done.
Okay. Yeah, what you seeing, boss? What you seeing? I see the move up to yesterday's high, eh?
I can just see money.
I would say yesterday's high, boss.
Yeah, we should be. Yeah, there's a PM high, which is in the yesterday's high.
No, I'm looking at yesterday's high, boss.
Yeah, we should be going up, and then I do think it's going to melt after that.
So someone saying, Safwan Dawood says Bitcoin could dump more. Yeah, so I saw that as well. Bitcoin has been selling this morning and yesterday. PNBK selling gold. Okay. Tuition, Gold bounced off support. If I'm not trading gold, guys. Nvidia earnings, Nanga. So Nanga says agreed buys PDH, also pushed by Nvidia earnings. Nvidia earnings is tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. Last time I checked, it was tomorrow. No, Nvidia wasn't today, guys. Nvidia is tomorrow. There's it here, 26th. Oh, he means guys will be buying the hype before the release. Oh yeah, I thought you meant it was today, but yeah. So I think it'll probably dump before the release. It'll go up today and then come back down. Before that release. So let's see though. It's gonna be an interesting one. Nivandran says, Sapro, hope you all good, man, all good. How you keeping? Jutran says, yo, Shaks, how's things? Yeah, all good, man. All good, guys. Hoping we can smash it today. Waiting. So 15 is also leaving a bit of FEG now, in that same exact area that I'm talking about. So here, if we get the 15 to close as is, that is a good indication. Then we should be hovering around here at the open, which lines up with my RTH point of interest. Okay, so we're gonna wait and see. Have to wait and see. Guys say Nasty Nev is very quiet. Navandran says, all good. Quarter hiding yesterday, was on the wrong side and held too long, otherwise I'm good. Yeah, that was me last week. I think I was on the wrong side of the market most of last week. But yeah, it happens, especially when you're too biased on one direction. So yeah, it happens, guys. Definitely does happen.
Hey, Shaks.
Mm.
Tell us calling for disclaimer.
You give it. Go for it, Nev.
So usual story, guys. This is purely for educational content only. We're not telling you what to do. Don't copy us.
Tell her he gave a weak disclaimer today, man.
Short and sweet. Yeah, exactly, Jutron. Nev is focusing on the money.
Bring it home,
hey,
boss.
Shaks, you see my bruise here. Jutron is here.
Yeah.
Today is going to be a good day.
Let's hope so. We're waiting. We need that good push up today. Oh, that came close, eh, Nasdaq.
Hey, is this thing even going to give us an entry?
I don't know. Look. If you're going long on Nasdaq, that's pretty much a setup I would be looking at. With that target there, guys. I explained the breakdown earlier. That was the sweep that occurred during London. Had the shift. This FVG here should be holding because it's been tapped into already. We've rallied up, taken out the structure as well. And we have this room to fill. You look on the 15. So 15 is currently in that FVG, that same one. But something interesting. So actually, you would need to have your stop on that low there. On that candle low, which is a 15-minute candle low. Because that's the FVG that's not tapped into yet. I would have my stop in that area. If you are going in on NAS.
Hey, tell him I show us how to trade NAS. Put him live, bro. Put him live.
I should add him on the live, eh?
Hey, I'm telling you.
Oh, this also says my camera is stuck.
Check, your camera looks frozen, man.
Yeah. No?
Hey, Shaq, sing us a song while we wait.
Is that better? Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you now. Yeah, it's moving.
Cool. Nasdaq, I think there's that point of interest here also. Yeah. Yeah, so you guys would need to watch out for that 1 hour FEG sitting up above here, but by then you should be more than a 1:2. Yeah. You should be over 1:2 at that point in this area.
Hey, if we put Tyler Love, he's also got smiley face. Jax, is your sound still working?
Yeah, I'm here.
Ah, I can hear you now. Yeah.
Okay. See what happens. So you're not making it to gym, eh?
Not today.
So non-stop wholesaler says, Shaks, make my day today. Hey, I'm gonna try, guys. I'm gonna try.
That's no way. Nasdaq hasn't hit that area yet. Guys are quiet. What's happening, man? Just want to see a pullback. Because at the moment it's not giving any pullback here, guys. Come on. Take that last comment. That's what risk management is all about.
Oh, exactly. I mean, even if you're going through a tough spell, guys, or a tough week or whatever, you still have to manage your risk.
Yeah, you got to be in it for the long game. Make money over time.
Might lose about, I mean, you can have a week straight of losses, but it can take you like 1 to 2 trades to literally make that all back.
Exactly.
If your risk management is in place.
Yeah, exactly. Those that try to hold it, they got scooped.
Jutron Cleo says Friday was something else. It went down like hey, don't want to talk about that, Jutron. Shade Charles says, why did the forex trader bring a parachute to the office? Because he was expecting a major drop.
It was refusing to come down to give us that entry.
Yeah, it is crazy.
Gonna have to be patient here.
Very patient, unfortunately.
Hey, Tala, sing us a song.
Okay, so Nasdaq is in. Just US 30, that's not giving you a pullback.
US 30, something's happening.
Yeah, well, what you think about that 5 minute? I think that I'm not 5 minutes, the 15. So there's a ETH 15 on the which lines up with the 15 on the RTH. See this area here?
Yep.
I think that's going to be the best sort of area for us at the moment, because this is already filled. I mean, there is this area down here, but I don't think it's going to personally spike that low. Because these line up, can you see?
Yeah, it would have to drop 1200 pips if it was going.
I don't think it's going to
go lower.
Do that. I do think it's going to run off this area.
Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, we can put some dummy positions in there. One day he's asking if you went long on Nasdaq, bro.
I sent out my idea. I mean, I showed the idea. So this is on, yeah. So ETH, it's 1 hour. You see this PDC here, in line with this 1 hour, in line with the 15 is just above it. Can you see here, bro?
Yeah.
This candle is about to close. So I'm definitely seeing that.
Yeah, we should get a reaction here. Yeah, that's only 500 pips to drop there.
Yeah, I see it. Here's Hey Nev,
Yo.
your head's looking like a tomato though, man.
Hey, always, bro. Always.
Are you in the sun or what?
It's a problem being